In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off iCloud Drive syncing to back up your files and documents on your iPhone 14, 14 Pro Max or later. This quick and easy process will ensure your important files are either backed up or kept local depending on your preference. So let's dive into the settings of your iPhone and get things set up just the way you want. First, you'll want to unlock your iPhone and navigate to the main home screen. From there, locate and tap on the Settings app. It's the grey icon with gears. Once you're in the settings menu, take a look at the top of the screen. You should see your name and possibly a profile picture there. Go ahead and tap on your name, which will lead you into a deeper section that's all about your Apple ID and iCloud settings, essentially your digital command center. Now within this menu you'll find a section labelled iCloud. Tapping on iCloud will bring up a list of all the apps and services that can sync through iCloud. In particular, keep an eye out for iCloud Drive. Go ahead and tap it. This is where you have control over the syncing of files and documents in your iCloud Drive across all your devices connected to the same Apple ID. Once you're in the iCloud Drive settings, you'll see an option labelled Sync this iPhone. This is the toggle you'll be adjusting depending on your current needs. If you want to ensure that your files and documents are backed up onto iCloud, you'll want to toggle this setting to On. By turning it on, you're allowing your iPhone to automatically sync all your documents to iCloud Drive, giving you the peace of mind that comes with having a backup you can access from anywhere, whether it's on another Apple device or via iCloud.com. Conversely, if you decide that you no longer want to sync certain documents, or if you're troubleshooting and need to turn off syncing, simply switch this toggle to Off. This stops automatic syncing to iCloud, meaning your files will only remain stored on your iPhone locally. A helpful tip, this setting can be particularly useful if you're conscientious about data usage, or if you're working with sensitive information that you don't want to place in the cloud. And that's it! You've successfully adjusted the iCloud Drive sync settings on your iPhone 14 or later. Whether you decided to turn it on for backup peace of mind or off for more localized storage, you now have full control. Remember, you can always come back into these settings and adjust them as your needs change. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has equipped you with the knowledge you need to manage your iCloud Drive settings effectively.